C++17 keyword-driven snippet generator, sequence-aware with parameterized custom keywords. Enter a line containing C++17 keywords. Duplicates allowed. The tool will ask follow-up questions for every occurrence in order and then produce a single integrated C++17 program. Commands: add define a new custom keyword with parameters list stored custom keywords remove a stored custom keyword help show help includes C++ standard keywords type exit or send EOF to quit. Enter keyword how to use short, long, unsigned detected occurrences in order: 1 how token, 1 2 to token, 2 3 use token, 3 4 short token, 4 5 long token, 5 6 unsigned token, 6 asking about keyword occurrence, 1 how token, 1 asking about keyword occurrence, 2 to token, 2 asking about keyword occurrence, 3 use token, 3 asking about keyword occurrence, 4 short token, 4 occurrence, 4 token, 4 variable name for type short x. Width occurrence for token, for initial value for width 42. $543 asking about keyword occurrence, 5 long token, 5 occurrence, 5 token, 5 variable name for type long x. Length occurrence, 5 token, 5 initial value for length 123,456,708. L 8,721,243 asking about keyword occurrence, 6 unsigned token, 6 occurrence, 6 token, 6 variable name for type unsigned x. Area occurrence, 6 tokens, 6 initial value for area 0. Length * width generated C++17 program. Copy the program into a.cpp file and compile g++ std equals C++17 your file.cpp.